If you've been watching the market over the last few months, you've noticed that volatility has returned to the financial markets. Whenever this happens, it's common for investors to get anxious. Memories of the last financial crisis start to resurface and fear begins to creep back in. These emotions are cultivated by news headlines. Television pundits are busy trying to make a name for themselves by coming up with an explanation for what's happening in the market and in the world. Writers of newsletters are trying to sell their newsletter by using headlines that instill fear and offering you some sure antidote for what's happening in the world. The truth is, no one really knows for certain how to anticipate the next market move. They are simply guessing. That doesn't mean that you shouldn't take some precautions with your investment portfolio, though. If you have already taken the necessary steps to fortify your portfolio against market volatility, then you should simply tune out the noise you are hearing on television. In fact, maybe it's time to turn off that television completely and go out and enjoy life a little. However, if you haven't taken the time to protect your portfolio against volatility, now would be a great time to do just that. So here's the bottom line. News media gets you to watch their broadcasts or read their articles by sensationalizing current events. While that can be beneficial in some instances, it probably isn't beneficial in relation to your investment portfolio. Most people make investment decisions based on emotion, not logic and fact. Now is the time to make changes to your portfolio before additional market volatility causes you to respond out of fear rather than logic. Remember, successful investing is really about having a sound plan, not just buying a financial product. Be sure to follow us on social media, and thanks for watching. We'll see you soon for the next episode of Dollars and Cents.